Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're doing something pretty cool. Not many people have done it. I only know of a few people who have, and it's gonna be pretty sick. So we're putting rock lights on my trailer because, you know, we gotta look sweet rolling to Silver Lake this year, especially once the truck's gonna be done in a month or two. So there's gonna be a lot more content on that. Wheels, tires, more stuff's getting powder coated. And so we already got 2 lights all wired in so far. I don't know if you can see that. And then we got one more up there, and I can show you the wiring for this. So we tapped into the marker lights that are on the side there. We put a ground and then just ran a wire to the rock light and then piggybacked another wire behind it, ran it through the trailer. And then we got it coming through right here. And then we got another wire that's going back to this, back here. And I'll show you guys right now how I'm doing this. So basically taking this wire, tying the rock lights into it, putting butt connectors on it, and then I'll run a wire across the back to that side. And then from there, we'll run more wire up to the front and tie the rock lights into it. So, not the easiest thing in the world, but once you kind of get the hang of it, you can run rock lights on literally anything. So, let's get to finishing the rest of them. We're running 6 in total on the trailer, so should be pretty bright. So, if you want rock lights, message me on Instagram and I can get you hooked up. I can get you, 12 for $90, and 18 for $150, I believe. Something like that. Yeah. So, if you're interested in rock lights, let me know. And, yeah, let's get to it. So we got the wire ran back here. We're gonna, take these ends off, tie in the rock light to this, and put the butt connector on this side. And then the other side of it will be another piece of wire going across. So we got the rock lights tied into that wire, and then I ran this wire across, and I'm gonna tie it right in there. And that wire will go down there and tie the rock lights in and keep going. So, as you can see, got the light in, got all the wires tucked away, and working on running the wire across to this side. We're gonna mount it right up in here and tuck that wire all up nice and run it to the front. We got 3 more lights to wire in and we'll be good to go. So far, so good. Little update, we've got this middle one ran, and you can see the wires right here and wire holder. And we got one more coming to the front. Got these 2 wires right here. Gonna put the 2 crimp connectors on it, mount the light up, and then it'll just go light to wire instead of light and wire to wire. So I don't know if that makes sense. I'll also include a little diagram. I'll draw a little diagram up so you guys can kind of see how it's all ran. But basically, it starts up front there, taps in to the marker light wire, and then daisy chains all the way back around the trailer, comes back up through, and then the chain will end right here in the front. So it basically goes all the way around and makes a big U. So it's all finished up. I'm gonna shut the lights off here and see if I can hook some power to it and try to give you guys a little view in the garage. And yeah.